Thanks, Deputy. The numbers that you quote are no doubt correct, but I'm not quite sure where you're going with this. Everyone in this House will know from the stories their parents told them or their grandparents told them that for many decades and many centuries Irish people went all over the world and sent back their remittances to Ireland. I remember my grandmother, all of her family went to America, telling me about the cheques coming in from the States, and they were remittances coming back home from Irish people who went to America. And I know you mentioned that perhaps there's a distinction between those going to other EU countries and those not. Just walk a few metres across Merrion Square into Hall Street Hospital. You'll see a hospital that's full of midwives from India, nurses from the Philippines, and doctors from Egypt and Pakistan and I don't know where. And they work hard and they pay their taxes, and out of their post-tax income they send some money back to their families who probably paid for their education. That is the way the world works. It's the way Ireland worked and still does for decades.